Welcome to the second part of our tutorial. Let's start. In the second part, we are going to create a AWS Amplify app. Then we are going to clone the React Native repository. And after that, we're going to configure the project to connect AWS Amplify and then run the project. And don't worry, I will explain all the code in the next video that I'm going to upload. But for now, let's run the app and see everything is working as expected. Okay, first step is to create AWS Amplify app. For that, we are going to log into our AWS Amplify dashboard. AWS Amplify, you select it. And then in the dashboard, you create a new app. We click on create an app with Gen 1. We name it Pixie Wallet Backend app. Confirm deployment. You need to install AWS Amplify CLI and configure it before. I explained it in the last tutorial. Okay, now we are in Amplify Studio. This is the first page and we just need to configure authentication. So we click on authentication, we click on reuse existing Amazon Cognito resources, and we click the user pool that we just created in the last tutorial using AWS CDK. So click on this and click on import. After this, it will give us a command that we just need that command to use this. Our work in console is done. We copy this and then we go back to our tutorial. Step 2 is to clone the React Native repository. We click on this, click on code, HTTPS, and copy. And let's clone it to our local. Okay. Now we just need to go to the directory that created for us. And now we need to run the AWS CLI command. Okay. So let's run it. It will ask us to log in to Amplify. After we logged in, we can go back here, and here we select, I'm using Visual Studio Code, so I select this, JavaScript, React Native. Everything we just leave as default. And no. Now we just need to run Amplify pool again. Now let's do the npm install. After the installation finished, then we need to run npm run start, and it will start Expo. After you install the Expo Go app, then you can scan the QR code that it will show you in the terminal. As you see, we got the QR code. I just need to scan it. And as you see, it's started bundling the app. You can see the app here, it's running. So we were able to run the app. We were able to clone the repo, and it's connected to Amplify backend already. See you in the next tutorial.